Come on.
All right, I'm coming.
If you say something about making something sweet, son, I'll beat you. I'll beat you to the race.
You pretty quick.
This is my frozen pineapple cream pie, y'all. So this is real easy to make, y'all. The process is going to be about 20 minutes from start to finish on the filling for our pie.
Well, I don't make a bunch of pies, so help me help you.
I know you don't, and I'm going to help you out. I've got 1 package of a plain gelatin.
Right.
If you put 1/4 of a cup of cold water in there and dissolve your
gelatin pack.
You got a 20-ounce can of pineapple in heavy syrup.
Right.
If you'd pop that and just pour it into our bowl that we have here over our boiling water.
All right.
I've got 4 eggs and I need 4 yolks. So I'm just gonna separate these and I'm gonna put the egg whites in the refrigerator and save them. When I'm scrambling eggs for breakfast, I can just add those to my eggs and use them that way, or I can...
Now you want your crushed pineapple
Maybe
in?
I can make another pie tomorrow and use those for
I
meringue.
bet you can.
I bet I can, too.
So the crushed pineapple goes into the double boiler?
Juice and all, son. And then about a teaspoon of lemon juice, please.
Okay.
Now, to my yolks, y'all, I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Now, I'm just going to take my yolks with that sugar, and I'm just going to beat those up. And this is going to give this a very custardy feel, which I love me some custard pie, y'all. And now, I'm going to just add that to our pineapple. Now, we're going to let this cook and let it thicken up.
And that gelatin's going to bring it together, right?
Yes, exactly. You want to let this cook down some before you add your gelatin. And for things like this, for pies and all, they recommend that you stay away from fresh pineapple. It just doesn't work as well as your canned pineapple. It has cooked down, and it's getting a little thick because of our egg yolks.
No.
Well, now we're going to add, here, I'll help you out, son, and stick that spatula in it. That'll get it out easier than a whisk. So what we're going to do, Bobby, is take that bowl out of that hot water and sit it on the counter, and we're going to let this cool for about 30 minutes. We've got one more step to go with this pie before we finish, and we'll do that in like 2 minutes.
2 more steps.
2 more steps.
There's going to be an eating step.
Oh, that's right. We got the eating step. I forgot. We're ready to finish this pie.
All right. Can I help?
Take this out of my hand. Why don't you whip our heavy cream? Okay. Now put that in there.
This is going to be the whole pint?
Yeah, it's 2 cups, son. So I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and if you just beat that till it's stiff, but not butter. Okie doke. And I'm going to be working on our garnishes. That looks like it's coming along nicely.
Thank you, Mama.
That's my son, Elvis. Or maybe his name is Nelvis.
But not Elvis?
Oh, my God.
It's absurd.
That's funny, Bobby. I don't care who you are. You know, son, that looks very, very good. I'd stop right there. And you can see that this is gotten almost gelatinous now that it's cooled. So we're just going to take this.
Add the whipped cream to the pineapple or the pineapple to the whipped cream?
It doesn't matter. We're just going to fold all of that in. You go under and over, under and over. You don't want to beat this because you don't want to let the air out of that cream that you just whipped. You'll notice that we have baked off our crust in a deep dish pie because this filling, it's a lot of filling.
It is.
So we're just going to pile this into our pie shell. And doesn't this look like a fabulous, kind of sweet, kind of tarty pie? Yum. So we're just going to cover this pie, put it in the freezer until it's solid, 4 to 6 hours, or even better, you know, make it the day before you want to serve it. All right, son, I've got our napkins and our plates ready. I've got our garnishes that we need for our gorgeous pie.
I think it's ready.
So just sit that puppy right there, son.
beautiful.
So here we go. I'm dipping my knife into some warm water, y'all, and that's gonna help me slice this pie. See how that just helped me slide through there?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm gonna top our pie with fresh whipped cream, sprigs of mint, and a wedge of fresh pineapple. I just love, 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 love pretty food.
Is this just dried fruit?
This is just dried fruit, son, that I'm garnishing our pie with.
All right.
How gorgeous is that?
Very gorgeous.
You could not ask for a more beautiful pie.
Yeah.
See, I just
See how it
love
tastes.
the mint on it. Oh, I just think that's scrumptiously beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Now I'm gonna go back here and get me a little whipped cream.
It's very, very good.
Perfect dessert to serve along with fish. When you're wanting to feed somebody a light summer meal, the candied fruit just gives it an extra little kick. We gotta tell everybody love and best dishes. And let's take our pie out and watch the sunset, okay?
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.